We're going to move the dial indicator from the piston to the number 1 intake lobe through the lifter hole. We're going to repeat the exact same process as we did to find top dead center, except we're going to use 50,000 of an inch before and after the peak of the cam lobe. As we rotate the cam, we stop at 50,000 of an inch before peak lift and record the reading on the degree wheel. We then rotate through peak lift and stop at 50,000 of an inch after peak lift. Record the reading once again, take those two numbers, add them together, and divide by 2. That is your installed center line of the camshaft. You can then compare that to what your cam card calls for and adjust accordingly.